Okay, the last part of using different samurai. Again, we're using the Book of Samurai series, arms, armor, and the tactics of warfare. Okay, so these are some more people. Now, people who have fallen from high, those who are got expensive clothes, they are used to court life, they've got lots of money, but then now they've fallen from favor. They will do anything to regain their position. They really want to get back in the good books with the high people. So approach them, they'll do almost anything. People who have an honoured ancestor, somebody who died in battle, who was great and a wonderful warrior, that anybody who's a descendant of them would love to get into the battle and show that their family has lots of heroes within it. So manipulate them in that way. And also you can use anybody who's had the opposite of that, which is a disgrace. If somebody's been disgraced in the past, what you do is literally give them the opportunity to wipe clean that disgrace, and what they can do is fight to the death. So that is the end of how to use the different samurai. And as you can see, that's now made a lovely page, and it's quite good. And next we're going to do some thieves.